In the ever-evolving world of electric mobility, a new breed of moped-inspired e-bikes is emerging, blurring the lines between two-wheeled transportation and pure adrenaline. Brace yourself as we unveil the top 5 moped-style electric bikes that are set to revolutionize the industry in 2024. Keep in mind that our selections are in no particular order, so be sure to stick around until the end to find the ideal pick for you. And don't forget to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. The Ristretto 512 is a remarkable electric bike that redefines the concept of high performance and luxury in the e-bike market. Featuring a striking, limited edition design available in 4 exclusive colors with only 400 units per model, the Ristretto 512 is a true work of art on wheels. At the heart of this bike is the Catalina battery pack, strategically placed in the center to provide optimal balance and weight distribution. And equipped with 84 premium Samsung 50E cells that offer an impressive range of up to 100 miles in pedal assist mode and over 45 miles in throttle mode, eliminating any range anxiety. Powering the Ristretto 512 is the X1 Pro Gen 3 motor from CYC Motors, delivering a staggering 250 Nm of torque in a compact form factor. Combined with the new X12 controller and dedicated firmware for an exceptional, intuitive riding experience. The lightweight 6061 T6 aluminum frame maximizes the strength-to-weight ratio, while the double-crown front fork suspension and rear shock provide a smooth and confident ride, both on and off-road. Complementing the impressive performance are features like the intelligent LCD display, the Ristretto Smart Motor app for customization, and a range of accessories to tailor the bike to your needs. With its uncompromising attention to design, technology, and performance, the Ristretto 512 First Edition sets a new standard in the electric bike industry, offering a truly unique and exhilarating riding experience. The QuietKat Lynx is a powerful and unique electric bike that combines cafe cruiser-inspired aesthetics with off-road ruggedness. It features a 1,000-watt motor, which is significantly more powerful than many other e-bikes, and is designed to blur the lines between e-bikes and e-motorcycles. The bike's styling is reminiscent of a motorcycle, with a high fender, round headlight, and contoured tail section, complete with a luggage rack. It also boasts long travel suspension, a full suspension frame, and 24x 4.5-inch fat tires, making it well-suited for off-road adventures. The Lynx also features advanced technology, including LED lights, GPS tracking, and Bluetooth connectivity via a dedicated mobile application. While the seat is not adjustable, the saddle is designed with multiple seating positions to accommodate different rider heights and leg lengths. The bike is designed for versatility, with a variety of accessories available to customize it for commuting, adventure, overlanding, or even hunting and fishing. Overall, the QuietKat Lynx is an impressive e-bike that offers a thrilling ride experience and a high level of customization. The Ride1Up Revv DRT is a revolutionary off-road electric bike designed to conquer trails with ease, offering an unparalleled blend of power, agility, and affordability. This rugged e-bike boasts a powerful 1,000-watt geared hub motor, providing a serious kick with 95 Nm of torque, making it perfect for navigating tight local trails. The DRT features a 52-volt, 20-amp-hour integrated Samsung cell battery with smart BMS technology, offering a range of up to 60 miles in pedal assist mode and over 45 miles in throttle mode. The bike is equipped with quad-piston hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring enhanced stopping power and control at high speeds. Additionally, the DRT comes with a boost feature that allows riders to squeeze every electrical drop of energy possible from the system, making it ideal for hill climbing and cornering. With its unique moped-style design, the DRT is a head-turner on the trails, and its affordability, priced at just $2,495, makes it an accessible option for off-road enthusiasts. Overall, the Revv DRT is a game-changer in the world of off-road e-bikes, offering a thrilling ride experience that is both practical and thrilling. The Himiway C5 is a remarkable electric bike that blends the utility of a commuter bike with the thrilling performance of an off-road motorcycle. Powered by a robust 750-watt motor and equipped with a large 960-watt-hour battery, the C5 delivers impressive performance both on the road and off the beaten path. Its striking, motorcycle-inspired design features a long banana seat, dual-crown suspension forks, and aggressive plastic bodywork that give it a unique and eye-catching appearance, appealing especially to younger riders. Despite its hefty 88-pound weight, the C5 offers a smooth and comfortable ride thanks to its premium suspension system, including a 140mm mountain bike suspension fork and a soft-tail rear suspension. The bike's 5 levels of pedal assist, combined with a responsive torque sensor, provide a seamless and efficient riding experience, with a top speed of 28 miles per hour once the speed limiter is unlocked. Equipped with 20-inch off-road tires and a spacious saddle, the C5 is designed for both city commuting and adventure riding, with a claimed range of up to 80 miles. While the C5's unique design may make it challenging to mount accessories, its powerful motor, robust suspension, and eye-catching aesthetics make it a standout choice for riders seeking a thrilling, motorcycle-inspired electric bike experience. The GhostCat F2.2 is a highly acclaimed and versatile electric bike that has garnered significant attention for its impressive performance, comfort, and durability. This off-road capable e-bike is designed to blur the lines between e-bikes and e-dirt bikes, offering a unique blend of power, agility, and style. With a powerful 52-volt 1500-watt nominal motor and 140 Nm plus torque, the F2.2 is capable of delivering a thrilling ride experience, whether on paved roads or rugged trails. Its lightweight aluminum alloy soft-tail frame and adjustable suspension ensure a smooth ride across various terrains, while the bike's 52-volt, 20-amp-hour lithium battery provides a generous range of up to 52 miles. The F2.2 features a range of modes, including manual pedaling, pedal assist, and pure electric, allowing riders to customize their experience according to their preferences. Additionally, the bike includes an extended seat for enhanced comfort and safety features such as front and rear hydraulic brakes, LED front headlight, rear brake light, and horn. Overall, the GhostCat F2.2 has received widespread acclaim for its exceptional performance, comfort, and value, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality e-bike for both on-road and off-road adventures. So, which electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.